Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's TTT trying to trade. So today we got a little short video for you guys. I haven't been posting a lot lately because of school and stuff and projects and whatnot, trying to get a job so I can fund my account even more. So today we're going to be talking about 3 stock splits that are coming up in the approximate months or upcoming months. So pretty much, what is a stock split? So a stock split is a decision by a company, a board of directors, to pretty much increase the number of shares issued by a company or the shareholder. So for example, if they do a 2-for-1 stock split, it means that each shareholder receive an extra stock for each 2 stocks. So if I own 4 stocks of, let's say XYZ stock, and then a stock split happens, well, that 4 shares gives me an extra 2 shares, so I would have 6 total shares. But remember, the price is divided by the stock split. So if the company's trading at like $50, for example, and they do a 2-for-1 stock split, you divide the share by 2, so it would be $25 per each share. So yeah, pretty much that's what's gonna happen pretty much. So in this case, we got a couple of companies to start off. We got big boy Google, alphabet class A or C, right? Either or, they're pretty much the same thing. So far I only got $250 in Google. Everything else is in Unity and in Riot. So far so good. Up $1, but so pretty much alphabet class A. So Google is announced a stock split, which would be a 20-to-1 stock split. So what this means, for each share of Google that you currently own, by July 15th, shareholders will receive an additional 19, so you have 20. So if Google is trading at $2,600, for example, you divide $2,677 divide by 20, so it'd be around $133 per each share. So yeah, so that's pretty good. I want to be able to sell covered cards for Google. That way I can make some nice premiums in return. But yeah, so that's Google happening July 15th, announced February 1st. Make sure you own some Google before this, or right after, just buy some shares if they're at a discount. That's what I'm gonna do. After Google, we have W.R BERKLY. I don't know much about this company, but I saw that they were having a stock split, and when I looked it up, the stock split was 3-for-2 common stock split, paid in the form of dividends. That means you won't receive a stock, but you receive the value of the stock as like a dividend payment, which would be really nice if you own the stock. Yeah, 3-for-1. So for each 3 shares you own, you get 2 extra stock shares in the form of dividends. So you won't get the actual stock, you'll get dividends. So you get paid for owning the shares of this company. If you want to find out more about what the company does, just look up their website, or just look at the about under here. For Robinhood, for example, they tell you it's an insurance holding company which engages in property casualties in the business, and so on. You can see the employees, the CEO, market cap, analytic ratings, and then you can see their earnings. You can see that the earnings are pretty stable, pretty good earnings throughout every quarter, progressively better. And yeah, and some similar companies. But yeah, so pretty much W.R BERKLY is having their stock split in March 9th of 2022. Again, it's not a stock split, it's like a stock split but in the form of dividends. So yeah, don't forget that. Finally, but not least, we have CM, Canadian Imperial. This is the last stock split of the video. If you guys enjoy, please like and subscribe to the video. I really appreciate it. I'm trying to hit 1,000 subs. Yeah, to get verified, y'all know it. But yeah, so pretty much Canadian Imperial trading at $127.03. You can see the 52-week low and so on. Their earnings, not too shabby. Not as stable as the last stock, WRPB, but yeah, I'll leave all the stocks in the bottom of the description if you guys forget the name or whatever, I guess. I don't know. So but yeah, so pretty much Canadian Imperial. I'm gonna have to go here because I could not find it in Google. I don't know why. So this is the Nasdaq.com. So here you can find pretty much everything to do with Nasdaq stocks. You can find their ticker symbol, you can find earnings, upcoming earnings, news, stock splits for this example. So we have Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce. So the ratio is 2-to-1. So for each 2 shares you own, you will be paid an additional given an additional share. So you would own 3 instead of 2. Remember, the stock price is divided by the amount the stock split happens. So if it's 2, divided by 2, 3, so on, you get the point. So it's playable on 5/13/2022. And yeah, that's pretty much the stock split. So nasdaq.com, I'll leave that in the description. So these 3 stocks are pretty crazy. For me, I'm really excited about Google stock split because like Google hasn't had a stock split in a while, and Google's a stable company. Like you can see the 5-year chart. You can it's a stable company, and you know we have Google on everything, on our phones, on our computers, and technology and so on. But yeah, I'm just really excited to buy into this stock. And I'm not gonna sell it. I'm just gonna hold it and keep selling covered calls because for sure it's not like a Chipotle stock or a Burger King stock or like just JCPenney. It's a solid, stable company that's, you know, has a lot of ingenuity, a lot of creativity, and I'm just willing to pay for it. And yeah, that's pretty much the video. If you guys enjoy, please remember to sub, like the video, and share it. I made a new resolution. I don't know if you guys like it or not. That way you don't have to see the white overlay of Google. And I also to protect myself, I guess, in terms of information. I don't know, but we'll see what happens. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.